What is up, YouTube? The pandemic, I thought it was over. Here in New York, most places you don't have to wear a mask anymore. I am fully vaccinated. And then this whole Delta variant comes around, and now suddenly LA is reimposing their mask mandate, and or indoor anyway, mask mandate. And here in New York, Governor Cuomo, in between all of his scandals, is saying something or other about the pandemic. I forget exactly what he's talking about. Who can keep track? But the fact of the matter is the pandemic is not quite over yet, and there's still a lot of people who are dealing with it, especially not just here in the United States, but in other places in the world. There's a lot of people who are dealing with it, and even here in the United States, there's a lot of people who still have a lot of trauma from it. And the crazy thing is that this actually means that you can actually go ahead and profit from it by offering them something that they would find useful, at the same time making money from it. And that's the best kind of profiting, where you can actually offer something that people genuinely have use for, and you also make money from that. I prefer that. I don't like the zero-sum game where it's like you're trying to sell people things they don't need. I want to sell people things that they do need, that are actually useful. That's why I'm so excited about this. I'm going to tell you all about it's coming right up in my review of Pandemic Mental Health Secrets PLR. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can phone successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill. Feel free to skip ahead and know that my jokes can be as stale as well. My cat's kibble. Do you know that one of my cats actually went and threw a bunch of his litter onto the food? I had to go throw the whole thing away and clean it up and start over again. You'd think he'd be happy with it, but no, he goes and throws his litter onto it. I guess he was telling me, Daddy, it's not good enough. I want the good stuff. If you don't give me the good stuff, I'm going to throw my litter all over it. Okay, message received, guy. All right, fine. But I had to go buy him the good stuff. But anyhow, seriously. If you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products that make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, regulars know it's actually very, very simple. Let's make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Okay, seriously, Bart, do you know that guy has been annoying me for over a year now? Every single time I do a video, he's there saying crap. You think you get a life? Seriously, Bart, get a life. Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give you a tip. My hat's product creative. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz. See, I love this. She's a sweetheart. Who can get angry at her? She's a fellow New Yorker. Anyhow, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe, well, it doesn't mean much on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking right now at the sales page for the Pandemic Mental Health Secrets PLR from my friend Vikram. Now, this is a really cool course that you get full PLR on it, so you can actually sell it as your own. It's going for, by the way, for $7, just so you know. That's really, really crazy. That's $7 for this thing. On its own, that makes it worth your while to pick up, because frankly, you're going to be able to turn around and sell it. Make one sale, you already made back your money. All right, and then some. All right, but I'm going to make it a total no-brainer for you, because in addition to those, I'm going to give you 30 additional courses about health issues that you can sell along with this thing. But I'm not done yet. I'm also going to give you my course on membership sites. So basically, you're going to get this course with PLR, 30 courses with PLR, plus you get my course on how to set up a membership site. And basically, the idea is that you can set it up so that you're automatically drip feeding a new piece of content every single week to your customers, and they'll keep paying month after month or week after week, however you want to do it. And you're basically going to have built in 6 months worth of content to give them. Okay, or if you do it monthly, you have like a few years worth of content, however you want to do it. And this is the way to really be able to make money online, because you don't have to worry about constantly recruiting new customers. You recruit one customer and they keep buying from you every single month. And nice thing is, because you have this content ready, you don't even have to make the content. Okay, once the content runs out, you go and buy more. You know, you invest some of the money that you made from this membership site and buy more content that you can keep adding onto onto your membership site. You keep adding on, and it just keeps going. And it's great because people want it, and you make money off of it. Okay, and I've done this myself with several different things. It works really, really well. It just makes money, and you just have to get it out there and get the first few sales going, and it just snowballs on itself. You're going to see they're going to be making more and more money all the time. So really, really a great way to do things. And again, this is $7. So really a crazy, crazy bargain. I'll show you the members area real quick over here. You see it's got a full graphic that you can download. You got all the content, the sales page, the actual guide. You got all the banners and the emails and all the other stuff. Basically, it's already done for you, and the whole thing goes for $7. Pick up any upgrade. I'm going to give you PLR to my membership site course. So this is a course that I created specifically for my high-ticket six-figure coach membership site. Other people pay $250 to be members, or $300 to be members, I forget exactly. And you're going to get this course completely for free. Pick up any upgrade, you actually get PLR to the same course. Okay, that's totally insane. You're going to be able to pick up all this stuff for $7. All right, that's just absolutely insane. And again, to pick up any upgrade, and you're going to get access to PLR to my memberships course as well. Okay, so let's see if I'm going to give it to Matt's product creator or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
Yeah, that was pretty obvious, wasn't it? I'm kind of gushing about this. I'm really excited. I think this is super duper cool. Okay, this thing is so worth it. Go ahead and grab this one. It's the biggest no-brainer I can think of. You're going to love it.